Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about some keyboard shortcuts in Excel and about text functions in Excel. So let's start the video. As you can see here, I have some data in my Excel here. So the first keyboard shortcut we will try is Control plus Spacebar. So if you will press Control and Spacebar, all the columns will be highlighted automatically, and if we will press shift plus spacebar, the row will get highlighted. So here you can write control and spacebar, highlight the entire column, and shift plus spacebar, highlight the entire row. And the next keyboard shortcut is Control Shift equals to. So if we will press Control Shift equals to, Control Shift equals to, it will a dialog box will open where we can insert a cell in the right, down, or entire row or entire column we can insert. So with Control plus Shift plus equals to, we can insert row, column, and the next shortcut is Control minus. So if you will press Control and minus, delete dialog box will open where you can delete any cell or you can delete an entire row or entire column. So with Control minus, we can delete row, column, and then with Control Shift down arrow, you can select the entire data after the text where your cursor is, and with Control Shift right, you can select the data till the right end of your data. Then it's Control Shift and L. So with Control Shift and L, this sort and filter will appear in our data. So with Control plus Shift plus L, we can sort and filter our data. And with Control plus E, we can flash fill. With Control plus E, we can flash fill the data. Like if I have written here mail and I want the mail till the last of this data, so what we do, we drag this column like this. So instead of doing like this, we can just press Control and E. So automatically all the data will be entered till the last. So these were some keyboard shortcuts. Now we will try some text functions in Excel. So the first text function is join strings. Like here is the first name and last name, and we can join these two names by writing the formula equals to, we will select the first cell, then we will write and, then double quote and the second cell. Enter. So as you can see, the first name and last name are joined here, the strings are joined. And then we can use the leftmost string also. For this we can write equals to left, bracket open, we will select the cell and we want the 2 text only, enter key. So from the left 2 letters are printed here. Then like that only we can find the rightmost also, and for that we will write, sorry for that, equals to right, bracket open, select the cell, we want the 3 text, enter. So from right you can see here MMY 3-letter word is printed here. Like this we can find the mid also. For this we can write equals to mid, then bracket open, select the cell, comma 3, comma 2, bracket close, enter. So as you can see, I have taken the 3, 2. So that means the third letter here is M. So from M, and we want 2 letters, so that's why MM is printed here. So that's all for today. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And this is the last video of this year, and tomorrow is the first day of 2024. So I wish all of you a very happy new year, and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.